I'm gonna try to shoot my Barbie with a Nerf gun, and every time I miss, I have to pour hot sauce in my mouth. 3, 2, 1. Did I do it? Okay, I just watched it back and I did, so I technically didn't miss. And she doesn't have to fall. 3, 2, 1. I don't think I hit it. I like hot sauce. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's ready. It's spicy. 3, 2, 1. Replay that. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I missed. That was more than it should have been.